Hello Only Gamers, my name's Only and welcome back to Tiny Itty Bitsy Little Small Nightmare. Okay, last episode I kinda chopped off some guy's arms and I ate a rat. So, today we'll be moving on to the next place. The last time we kinda got a little sneak peek on what's going on, and Jesus Christ, this place is ominous. We kind of got a little sneak peek on what's going on because I think this part is gonna be us versus the chef guy. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to climb here? Okay. Wait. Am I supposed to climb there? I'm really confused. Yeah, I'm not really good with puzzle types of games. I'm just too dumb, man. But I'm trying my hardest, okay? Ew. Ew. Ew, look at that. It's so squishy. Ew. Oh, I'm supposed to push it. Ah, got it. Yeah, you can tell. I didn't even think about that. So yeah, this is gonna be a long episode. I feel like every time I play this, it always feels long. But when I edit it out, but when I edit it out, it's just not long. It's just not as long as I thought. Okay. Oh no. Okay. What is that? Ooh, sausage. Oh no! Are you fucking kidding me? I could have eaten sausage, but I ate a fucking rat instead. Why? Why? Why, character? Why? You could have gotten to eat like delicious German sausage. Man. Okay. What is this? Is this like a... There's blood everywhere. Good God, clean your place. Oh. I'll be needing this thing to climb up. Is this place like a restaurant or something? Because if the... So, what I'm guessing that the other guy's the butcher. Because he transport meat, right? You kind of saw him like hook the little guys. Oh God. I feel like if I do something dumb, or if I don't do anything smart enough, I'm gonna get caught. Which is bad. Okay, there's nothing down here. Okay. There's a bottle up here. Oh, carrot. Okay. There's a bottle up here. Okay, I can't really get the bottle, so whatever. But yeah, I feel like the long arm guy. Oh no. I see a shadow. Ah, what the fuck? Oh my God, your face. Oh, he has the lazy eyes and he has the like... Jesus fucking Christ, he looks terrifying. He looks so creepy. Oh no! What the fuck are you doing? You're cutting meat! What meat is that? Okay. Okay, so he's cooking. Great. Where the fuck do I go when he cooks? Okay. Yeah, the last time we played, the long arm guy is the butcher. And I feel like... Okay. Okay. Okay, wait until he cooks. And then make a move for it. There we go. Don't fucking catch me. Oh God, look at that. He's cooking. Jesus fucking Christ, why do you do that all the time? Okay, I need to get out of here. No, 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 no! Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Okay. Oh no, you gonna stay here now? Okay. Okay. Run for it, run for it. Not there, not there. Run down here. Yeah. Oh, the little guy's over there. Run, little guy, run! He's gonna catch you. I guess not. I guess he can't really see it. Yeah, spices or season your food or whatever chefs do. Oh God, fucking run for it. Oh wait, there's a stairs here. Oh no. Fuck, where'd I go? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna wait until he moves away. Okay, now run for it. Run and climb. Yeah. Oh, there's a bottle here. Oh nope. Light this up. Grab this. No, not that bottle. Yeah, this bottle. Bloop. No. Ah! Fuck! I wasn't expecting him to see me. Oh God, your face, dude, is so creepy. Yeah, can't catch me now, huh? Oh my God, but he can see me though. Can I throw this at him? Okay, make a run for it. I don't think he can catch me. Oh, he's making pig noises. Are you a pig? Is that guy a pig? Yeah, this is the kind of music that you don't want. The creepy kind. Climb to safety. Yeah. So I need a key. Ah! Okay, I'm safe. That's okay. So I need a key. And I have no fucking... Okay, can you stop that? Oh my God, man. Stop that, please. So I need a key. Okay, I'm gonna... There we go. Okay, I need a key, but I don't really know where to get it. Okay, this is not the weirdest thing that I've seen. Does that guy has like 2 anus? What's this? Why is there 2 toilets? Don't tell me he has 2 anus. It's a lantern light there. I need to lit it. Oh my, what the fuck is that picture? Can you see that? Oh my God, that is one terrifying looking kid. Is that the chef guy when he was younger? I mean, honestly, he looks a lot better as a kid. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I didn't mean to jump. I mean to do this, and then, yeah, look at that. I can't jump with the lights? Okay, never mind then. Yeah, I feel like he has 2 anus. Okay, he's a little bit on the bigger side, but... Oh, the little guy. What is this? It's a door. Oh God, I feel like it's the door to trap or something. What? Okay, no. Put me back! Oh, you can actually put me back! Okay. I didn't think that works. Yeah. Okay, so that door is gonna be my escape plan then. Is there something in here? That's a teapot. I'm a little teapot. Well, I'm not little anymore. Ooh, there's a door here. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? No! There's another one? Oh! That explains the two toilets. They're twins. Oh god. Oh fucking god, where'd I... Okay. There's a thing here, so I can climb here. I kinda see... Fuck. 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 Fuck me. No. Oh, your face is so creepy, dude. Climb. 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 Okay. Hide. 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 Holy fuck. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Okay, where'd I go? What am I supposed to do? I can't really see anything. Oh my god. They're twins. They are... what are they called? The Jim and Jeff brothers from Kitchen Nightmares. Okay. So, where'd I go? Am I stuck here or something? Can I? Oh, do not drop that. Can I drop down to bed? Wait, can I just... Okay, can I just climb down? Okay, slowly climb down. Oh! Key! Key. There's a key. There's a key. There's a key. There's a fucking key. Climb! Okay, get the key. Swing. Okay. Throw the key. Drop down. Grab the key. And get the fuck out of here. Oh god. Please don't come. Oh my god, I fucking hate how the camera just doesn't show the other side, but it's just like just face on one side. So annoying. Okay. Let's go down. Yes. I have the key. So I can open the door and get the fuck out of here now. I saw a little buddy. He just ran here. Oh Jesus, what the fuck? Am I supposed to throw this? Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, little hat buddy. Hello. Can I grab him? Oh my, what the fuck? Ah! Ah! Okay, great. Okay, not only that I strangled the little hat buddy, I got caught. Are you fucking kidding me? No! No! The key! Oh no. I am never doing that again. Ever again. I had to get the key again. Why? You dirtbag. You little shit. We're going back to get the key again. Okay, there's the key. I need to wait for him to wake up first before I could get the key. Does he just automatically wake up, or do I have to do something for him to wake up? Can I slap his hands? Huh. Huh. Okay. I slap his hands. Oh god, your face is terrifying, dude. Oh, both of their faces are different. Okay. I'm sure he's doing his chef things. They're both doing their chef things. So I'm gonna get the key and get the fuck out of here. Get the key. Now move. Can I just go back on top of the what's it called? The woods. The stick woods on the ceiling. Can I just go back there and then drop the key down from above? Can I? Oh, I can't. Wait. Let me check if I can. Yeah, I can't. Okay. Damn it. I really need to go down. I'm gonna be so annoyed if I get caught again. Oh yeah, I can run with a key. Oh! Oh, that's cool. I'm leaving... Ew! Okay, that's not cool. I'm leaving toilet footprints around. Oh, I didn't mean to throw that. Okay. We going down. Yes, I saw the little guy and I'm not going back there again. Okay. Move here. Okay. Put the key down for now. Okay. I can move. Okay. Go down here. And then move to over here. Oh god. Fuck. Hide. You're here. But where's your brother? I don't see your brother. Okay. Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, no. I feel like he's gonna walk back. Yeah, he's walking back. I know it. I knew it. Ah! Oh, bless you. He sneezed. Okay. 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 Follow the little hat, guys. Follow the little hat, guys. Okay. Okay. Open the door. Go! Open that door. Hell yeah! Okay, no, he's gonna he's gonna fucking catch me. I need to make a move. I need to make a quick and witty move. Now hide. Hide under this table. I can't really see. Oh, there's a little buddy guy here. Hello. Am I strangling him? Oh, I just gave him a hug. I just gave him a hug. Oh, that's cute. So I was actually hugging the other little buddy. Are you following me? Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Are you actually following me? Oh, God. Please don't follow me. Okay. Okay. I'm being really careful right now because I feel like the fucking fat one's gonna come here. Yeah, you can't really follow me, little buddy. Sorry about that. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Only one meat drop. There's a hole there. Okay. Not really sure what to do. So, can I climb here? Okay, I can't. It's following me. Hello. Aw, it's so cute. Oh, I can grab him. Drop. There we go. Stop following me. Okay. Okay. This is the elevator food thing, where the chef put their food in the elevator and it just go up. I've never really seen it in real life before. I only seen it in like fictional cartoons and stuff. What the fuck? Oh, it's cold in here. Ah, statue! Gimme and drop. Hehe. Okay, what am I supposed to do in here? Did I open this? Am I supposed to open this? I can't really do anything, huh? Oh. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh! Okay. What was that? Oh no! He died out. Oh my god. And the fucking rat ate him. Okay, that's kinda sad. Why would you show me that? What's wrong with you? Okay, I'm getting out of here. I don't really get it, but am I supposed to do something? Oh, I can climb here. Oop. Wee. 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 Hup. Oh, ah! Meat. Oh, okay, push the meat down here. And don't drop myself, good god. Don't wanna die. Can I put more meat? Oh, there's another one there. There's another meat. Hup. Get the meat. Pull the meat. Meat. Is this like pig meat? God, I don't want to think about what kind of meat this is. Push the meat in. Yeah, oh come on! Push the meat in! Push the meat in. Pull. Push. There we go. My god, so much work. So much work for my little yellow. Climb. Hup. Whoop. Wee. Hup. Okay. Can I? Oh, I can. Okay, so there's a bigger meat over there. So. Hup. Oh, fuck. Okay. I guess I can't really grab that. I want to see if I can grab that. Okay, swing. Ah! Okay, now swing. 1, 2, 3, wee. Okay, yeah, I can't really get that meat. I'm just gonna leave it alone then. Okay, 2 meat. I have 2 meat. So is that enough to grind whatever I'm trying to do? Hello. Hello, little buddy. Hello. Crap. I don't want you to go out. You stay inside. There we go. You stay there. Don't go anywhere. You stay there. Don't follow me. Good god. I'm on a dangerous path. You shouldn't follow me. Haha, meat. Okay. Spin this. Ew. Ew. Kinda cool, but ew. Is this how sausages are made? Oh god, this is kinda gross. At least sausages taste good. Okay. I need to swing in there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh god, it's dark. Yeah. Now we're moving on. I'm planning to play until I get out of this chef house. Oh, I'm banging my head. The chef's house. Oh god. Jesus, there's a bunch of meat around. A bunch of frozen meat. You gotta preserve the meat. There's a hole here. Am I supposed to hide here? No. Am I? Okay. I feel like I need to hide here at some point. There's a door. Oh, I need another key. You're kidding me. Okay. I guess I need to find a key. Fuck no! What in the fuck? I called it. I absolutely called it. God. What are you doing? Oh, cheese. Ew, you're gonna put your cheese in your bag? In your chef clothes? Okay, time for me to get the fuck out of here. Time for me to get the fuck out of here, my god! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Okay. Okay, go. Okay, go. Oh my god. Where'd I go? No, no, no! This is bad. Okay. Wait for him to go in. Okay, now go. I don't want a door to shut down. I don't want a door to shut. Okay, hi. Fucking god, why? Okay, I need a key. Oh, the key is over there. Why? Ew, what are you cutting? Ew! Oh, that's kind of gross. What are you cutting? What meat is that? It's too big. The meat, the size of the portion is too big to consider as one of the little kids. So I feel like that's animal meat. Yeah, whatever. My god. Okay. I'm supposed to climb up here. I guess I have to climb up. But what if he catch me? Is there a different way to do this? Oh god. Okay, I don't really see my character. Where? Oh, there we go. There we go. Slowly move back. Ew, you're scratching your neck. Do you even have a neck? Oh god. Please go away. Okay. He's back to chopping. So I'm back to hiding. So the key is over there, but I can go to over here? What? I don't get it. So I can go here. Okay. What's this? Ew. What's this? There's nothing. There's a button here. Wait, I don't want to touch it yet. I feel like if I touch it, something's gonna happen. Hup. Okay, he doesn't hear that. That's annoying. There's some buckets here. Ew. It's a little hidey hole. I want to check if I can do anything else before I push the button. So I can go here. Okay. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do. Alright, let's just push the button and see what's going on. Ew. Oh no! Ah, so that's what the button does. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, grab the key. Quick, grab the key. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, hide, hide. Fucking hide. Okay, put the key down. Is he gonna come back? I'm just gonna walk down here. I'm gonna be a little sneaky. Is he gonna come back? I don't really see him. Okay. Wait, I hear footsteps. I hear footsteps. I don't see him. Ah, he's back. Okay. Oh, fuck. What? He sees me? What? What? How did he see me? Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. 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 Make a run for it. Make a run for it. Ah! Fucking hell, that scared me. Well, I didn't know he could see me. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, now I know what to do. I need to go. Oh, I lost the key again. Fuck. Okay, now I know what I need to do. I want to try and lit that. Okay, I need to make noises again. So this guy's a lot more different. Oh my fucking god. This guy's a lot more different than the long arm guy. The long arms can't really see us, but he can hear us. But this guy can hear and see us, which is a totally different thing. Okay, so I need to push this. I need to run away. I need to hide. Okay. No! Fuck. Okay. I thought he was supposed to look around and then push the button. Then I'll have time to run away. But he immediately pushed the button. Okay. Let's just push the button again. Nothing wrong with that. And fucking make a run for it. Okay, now hide. There we go. Yeah, he's gonna look around. And there's nothing around. He's gonna go over there. And then I make a fucking run for it. Okay, go. Fast. Go get the key. Fast. Don't really have time. Get the key. And then run. Run. Fucking run. Okay, put the key down here. And then... Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Fuck! Why? I just want to climb. Oh, that's too much to ask. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I feel like he's not gonna see me anyway, so I'm just gonna go. No. I can't climb? Oh, wait, I can climb. Okay. Good, good. Continue to climb. Good. There we go. Yes. Okay, now fucking lit this. Lit the candle. Please. Oh, yeah. Lit up your life. Haha. Hell yeah. Is that all the candles? Oh. Chopping your meat. I can't believe you can't see me right now. Okay, I got the light lit. I'm happy with that. Now, I just need to get the key. Okay. Go, 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 go! Fuck, I'm getting stuck everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, please, please, get the key. Please, don't get caught. Please. Grab! Run, 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 run. Okay. 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 Oh god! Why do you have to make noise? Okay. Open the door. Now get the don't grab that. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Hide. 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 Where'd I go? Man, the game is really good and... Okay! Thanks. He closed the door. Now what? Oh fuck, I can hear him. Oh my god, is he gonna open the door again? The game is really good at making you feel like you're gonna die. Ah. So did I go inside here? Oh! Oh, this is a trash bin place. Oh, there's a statue here. Bloop. Hey. Okay. Why is there a plunger here? What the fuck? Can I grab it? Okay, I can't really grab it. Oh god. There's a stair here. I mean a ladder. Oh, never mind. I thought the other thing is the ladder. Ah. Okay. We slowly move. Oh, I can actually go here. Actually, before I do that, I want to check. Ah. Oh, they're cleaning place. They're cleaning. Oh, that's a lot of plate. Good God, that's a lot of cleaning. Huh. There's a hidey whole place here. Oh, I'm stuck. Ah, fuck. Okay, so I need to go over there. Got it. I swear, if it asks me for if it asks me to get another key, I'm gonna go crazy. Okay. Oh god. Oh god, please don't spot me. Fuck. Okay. I don't think he can catch me. Oh no! Yeah, you can see me, but you can't catch me. Can ya? Oh god, his skins are... Oh man, the skins are so creepy. Do I need to go back here? Oh, I can climb here. Ah. Oh, okay. Am I supposed to climb here? Okay, am I supposed to grab one of those hook? Okay. Hoop. There we go. Ah, there's a... Oh. It's a light thing. Wait, are you kidding me? That's it? Ah! Whoop-de-fucking-do! Haha! So great. Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna go here then. Can I go back down? Okay, I can't go back down. Okay, got it. If shit goes wrong, I'm just gonna go back down a drain. Okay. Now, make a run. Fuck. Move! I feel like there's a way to do this, but I don't know how. Because everywhere I go, they're gonna see me anyway. Okay, so the best solution is... just fucking run under here. There we go. Can they catch me down here? I don't think they can. My god. Yeah, you're looking, but you can't see. You can see me, but you can't catch me. Okay. Okay. Okay, run. fucking run for it. Stop making noises. Okay. Okay, that's the door here. But I can't really... Oh god. Oh no. Fuck. Okay, good. It's moving away. There's a door there, but I need to open the door. Okay, climb. You can't climb there. Oh, okay. You can't climb there, can you? I need to be extra careful. My god, the camera is so annoying. It's blocking my view. I can't. Oh. I'm all covered in soap. Why? Oh god. That's kind of cute. Okay. Am I supposed to go here? Ah, fuck. Okay, I make noises. I made noises. I need to hide. I made noises. Fuck. 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 Am I supposed to make noises? Where'd I go? Okay. So, if I do this, what does it do? Oh! Fuck. You can't see me! My god, that is so scary. Every time he looks down, I feel like he could see me and grab me, but he really can't. He can't really see. I mean, he can see me, but he doesn't grab me. So that's kind of weird. Oh god. Okay, so I activated a hook. I need a way to climb up there. Come on, hide, please. Okay, fuck this. Just move here. Yeah. Okay. He's moving over there. Where's your brother? Okay, climb. Fuck, 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 fuck. Come on. Yeah. Haha, you can't catch me now, little bitches. Haha. I'm moving away. Haha. Can't catch me now, huh? Oh god, don't turn off the lever. How do you got this so far? Ah! Okay. Oh, I'm not supposed to. Oh no! No! Hey, make a run for it. Make a run for it. Make a run for it. Fuck me. Okay. Go run for it. Ah! Jesus. Grab! Ah! Haha! Can't catch me now. Haha! Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, got out of there. Oh, Lord Jesus! Thank God. Yes! I successfully got out of there. Thank fucking God. Wow. Wow, that's... Okay, yeah, that was not fun. But this game is incredible. It really makes you feel like you're actually getting chased. And you really feel like you're on the edge of... and you feel like you're on the edge of dying every time. So yeah, that's really cool. I feel like there's a lot of things that I miss. I didn't know that I could grab the little hat guys, and there's achievements for that. So I guess I missed a few achievements. I guess I really can't go back now since I already moved on so far. The next part of this game, I don't really know what the next part is. I feel like that we're gonna end the whole game on the next episode. I hope you enjoy. If you like this episode, and if you're not an only fan, subscribe. It's free. Okay, bye bye.